Welcome to day 30 of the AI Academy Challenge. I cannot believe we're on day 30. I'm going to take a sip of water before we go here. My throat is very dry. You did it. You made it. 30 days of dedication into learning a skill set around a new advancement in human history, this thing called AI. And I think financially, for your own well-being, or for any reason why you started this course, I hope it was worth it. I wanted to start this session off by thanking you for trusting me and your most valuable resource in your time, for going through this entire course, and for trusting that I will provide you value. AI is something that's changed my life. It's changed my family's life financially, and it's something that I know with the amount of knowledge, anyone, it can change anyone's life, even if that's not financially, just for productivity, the sake of well-being, understanding what this thing is, how it can help us, and how, going forward, it shouldn't be something that's scary. And I hope this elementary starting course at least did that. But you are here. You have made it 30 days to the end of the course, and we have a lot to cover today. This will probably be the longest episode, because I want to get back to anyone that made it this far in the course, that is engaged with the community, because this is the staple course in the free community, and I think it will be like that for a while, because this is truly the basics, and I don't see the basics changing anytime soon. And again, just wanted to thank you for being here, for completing your 30 days. Now let's get into it. While you're here, the rewards, the good stuff, let's hop into it. We got our regular slides today. We've got a few things to show you. Man. Wow, what a journey this has been. Guys, I started this, I looked, I think, very different. If you go back and watch it, I'm not going to change the videos at all. I think it's crazy. This course took me, I think, 3 months, which includes like scoping it out, building all the slides, even with the help of AI, scripting everything, getting everything ready for filming, editing, uploading to school, all the worksheets. It took me probably about 3 months, which is why I look different throughout the course, because I started filming it and then I realized some of the back sections weren't the way I wanted, and they weren't structured the way I wanted, and I think some of them were too salesy, and I was like, all right, I want to give just more value here. So I restructured halfway through, and then I moved apartments, and it's just like it's been a crazy journey here, and I'm so glad this is available on the internet. Hoping I didn't do too much rambling. I really explained the concepts well. I tried to outline my thoughts in the slides, so that way I can follow the slides. And we have people asking questions in the community, and me and the admins are always happy to help. That's why under every single school post, I link a discussion. So if you go into Classroom and you go here, and you go to a random one, there's this link down here. So then hopefully people will come in, and they will start, mine's done, they will start filling it out, asking questions if they have it, being resources for each other. Anyways, let's hop into it today. As always, subscribe and follow. More updates regarding this course, if there's any updates. For the more courses we have coming out, we have an agents course, we have the Jarvis course coming out, we have how you can make money with AI coming out to the free one, which is like a preview of Plus. Share the course, get that 40% commission, monthly giveaways, Apple products every single month just for engaging the community, which is pretty sick. Bonus tip, watch the course in 2x speed, and share your results with others. I think we're top 500 community already in the tech niche, which is pretty cool. Going to be going for that one spot. Agenda for today, we're going to talk about how you did it. We're going to talk about your 30-day journey. We're going to talk about the before and after, and then finally we're going to get that reward I've been alluding to, which selfishly I think is pretty amazing, and again, it changed my life. A little sick, so you're going to have to excuse me sipping some water here, someone over my words a little bit, and being a little stuffy, but you did it. 30 days are done, which is no small accomplishment. You showed up and did the real work. Most people quit. I'll be so honest. I've seen the data on school of how many people join, how many people click on certain pages. And most people quit. And you're not most people. You made it all the way through. And you have real skills now. Real skills with proof you can point to. Hopefully you built your own personal website. If not, but you have a whole portfolio that you can show to anyone around, hey, understand the basics. I'm starting to really level up my AI fluency in education. And inside that, we have 4 portfolio pieces, 4 things you actually built and shipped. And honestly, guys, this is just the start, and I think that's how you should frame it. I was lucky enough to be a math nerd in high school, and then I got some financial aid to go to college on the East Coast at a private school where I originally wanted to study business. And I remember my instructor freshman year told me there's no business degree here. And I was like, all right, I'm going to do finance. I was like, it's kind of boring. Switched to computer science, learned about this AI stuff back in 2021, and I realized it's a game changer ever since. Made some good money with it, sold a company, and now I'm realizing that both my parents are teachers, educators, that I think educating is something really special to me, and educating on this thing that's changed my life, and I think it's going to change so many people's lives. Arguably the most important moment in human history is something I want to do. And again, yes, thank you for being here. But again, this should be just the start for everybody here. There's much more advanced stuff on the internet. There'll be much more advanced stuff in our communities. But I'm so glad you took the first step here. Your 30-day AI journey. So we started week 1 with foundations. You learned how to drive AI from days 3 through 9. We then went to week 2 where you learned the core skills. AI learned you, what you're about, your voice, etc. Then we went to week 3 where we got a little bit more advanced. We started learning about automation, AI acting for you for days 17 to 23. And then this past week, we really put you to the test. A lot less showing and a lot more just slides and you guys doing, and then posting in the community and getting feedback. Build and apply AI produces actual outcomes. And all these are connected, and this is why I had to redo the course halfway through. I wanted them all to be more connected. Every skill built on the one before it. And I think it's pretty crazy to go and look here and just look at everything that you guys have gotten through. Look at all these sections you guys have gone through, all these worksheets. This is no easy task. I mean, like, a 30-day workshop is a lot, and you guys absolutely crushed it. And the videos length from 20 minutes to 10 minutes to this one was 30 minutes. I mean, you guys just absolutely crushed it. And again, thank you for being here. Before and after. Day 1, you were probably curious, maybe a little overwhelmed. You weren't sure about AI. And today, you build, automate, and you can ship with AI, which is absolutely crazy. I wish every single person that finishes this course the best of luck, the most success in life. And if there's anything I can do to help anyone that's here, please ping me on school, send me an email. Join the Plus. Again, it's risk-free. I'd love to help people monetize in there if that's your goal. But I genuinely just love, I'm super active on LinkedIn. I love just like connecting with as many people as possible. If you're watching this and you want my LinkedIn, I am, again, very open to connecting with anyone on there. School gets a little flooded sometimes. Same with my inbox. So sometimes I miss things, but this is my LinkedIn. It's Drew Collins Business. Please, here's the link. Go connect with me. Yeah. I didn't plan to throw that in there, but again, if you've made it this far, genuinely, like, I care about your success and I want you to succeed in anything you do, and I think AI can help in whatever that is. And look at this gap from day 1 to now. The gap is 30 days of showing up consistently. And you have proof. You have 4 pieces. You have your project, 29 worksheets, and that is all you. I could hop on here and do these videos and give you guys the worksheets and the guides and what I know for the basics, but you actually had to show up and do the work. Let's not forget that. Screenshot this, your before and after is a story worth telling. I've been doing something recently where I do like a nighttime vlog, and then I can go back and look at them later. That was something I wish if I had refilmed this course, it would have been like day 2, like give a vlog about how you're feeling, then give a vlog now. But yeah, screenshotting this I think will also help. So now we're going to claim your reward. So your reward for finishing all of this is a free month of the AI Academy Plus. This is worth, at a certain point, this could be worth $400 or $500 as our prices increase, but starting it is worth at $100 value. How to claim, you just email team@founderdrew.com and you send your proof, your portfolio link, all your worksheets, and the subject line should be my reward. And then we're going to send you a personalized link, because otherwise, if we just post the link in here, anyone can join, and then we'd have to deal with it. Send you a private link to join. It's just for finishers, and it will only admit one person per link. I'm going to show you really quickly what I mean, just how to submit. So we do have a worksheet for today. You can fill it out. I won't be nitpicky of whether you have 29 or 30, but if you want to stick to that, but we do have one for day 30, which I think just shows you how to submit. And then post results and accountability less than 30-day check-in. So just to go really quick and show you guys, I also wanted to show you just for the AI Academy Plus, if we go over to About, we have a money-back guarantee here. Obviously, if you've come this far, you get the first month for free, but if you go through the entire course, you get the first month for free. And if you don't make your first $1,000 with AI in 90 days, you get all your money back. So it's $97 a month. This could go up to like $300-$400 a month at a certain point, just based on the results we're getting. But regardless of what it's at, if you finish this course, you get a month for free. Super, super exciting. Yeah, I just thought of something I actually have to do for the Plus community, so I'm going to write that down right now. Give me a second. This is kind of just how things go sometimes. On slide. Okay, great. Sorry about that, guys. But that is your reward. I think it's a pretty fair reward for doing it this far. It is the best reward I could give to my past self, when I knew, like when I was young in college and I felt like I knew a lot about AI and I didn't know how to monetize on it, and I was too young and I was like, I'm not going to start a company yet. And then funny enough, I did. It's the best reward for anyone that's like, okay, I want to make a buck. I know a lot about AI and I see everyone monetizing it. How do I do it? And you get to try it 30 days risk-free. So technically you can get 4 months for free, because if you got this month for free and then you got the next 3 months for free with our money back guarantee, and somehow you didn't make $1,000, you just get all that sent back to your credit card or bank account or wherever you paid from. But regardless, let's go through our final worksheet here. Foundry.com/day30. Crazy to be typing that in the last time. You guys can fill this one out if you want. It would be cool to post this. I'm going to show you really quick. I think we're going to walk through here how to submit to get your free month of AI Academy Plus. So your 4 portfolio pieces, this is what should be included along with all your worksheets. So it should be 29. We might not have one the first day. Maybe that's why it's 29. But all your worksheets, all your portfolio pieces, and then your before and after. You don't have to include that in the email, but just for habit. And then you're going to put all this into a folder and go here, and you're going to go to team@founderdrew.com. My reward, or maybe it's my prize, what I say here. Subject line, my reward. And then you'd attach all the files here, so you just link it down here, or in the Google Drive, you can send a link. If you don't know how to do that, you can also just paste an email. Hey, I finished. Can you help me, please? And we'll walk you through it. We have a great team managing this inbox. And then you also want to include your school handle and email, because we have to send you a link, and then you have to log into your school by email, and that's the one that will get access to the paid school. That's just how school does it. So I'd include in the email like something like I want, or like super excited to join the paid school. If the invite could be sent to this email. So then we make sure we get it to the right link, and then you just press send, and we'll get back to you within, I think our guarantee is 24 hours. Once you send that, we'll verify all the worksheets are done, and that you've been active in the community and posting an accountability, and we will get you in there for 30 days for free. $100 value just for completing the course for free. I think it's honestly a really good deal. You get to network with everyone in that community as well. And then the finish line here. Post your before and after and accountability, and send your proof to team@founderdrew.com to get your private link to AI Academy Plus. Man, wow, this is our final summary here. You finished all of it, all 30 days. Congratulations yet again. I can't stop smiling this episode. 4 weeks, 4 pieces. Email me the proof, and I will get you that free month. Again, this is just the beginning for every single one of you watching. If if you want to make this a new career, if you want to help it with your career, if you want to monetize off it, if you just want to not be scared of it. I hope from the bottom of my heart this helped you. If you want to go faster, my consulting is always available. If you sign up for consulting, you told me you finished this course, maybe I'll throw you a discount. I think I would actually, because I mean, this course is just, it's been a long journey. If you're ready to build and scale, please join the Plus. You should all now have a free month for this. So I hope to see you inside. Please tell me you came from the free course. It's amazing. If you're enjoying the course, post a testimonial in the wins category. Let's get to work. I will see you guys on other free courses. I'll see you in the school. I'm always available on social media, LinkedIn. Again, thank you from the bottom of my heart for completing this free course. I hope to see you in Plus. You have a free month there now if you send me all the materials that you did this. And I will see you guys inside the school community. Post a win saying you finished this. Thank you guys again, and congratulations. Let's keep learning together. Get out of here.